wash a car. Okay, sure. I'll be back in half an hour. Well, I see. Now I need to choose the right liquid. This one's for bike, this one's for excavator, this one's for Jeep, and this one's for a sports car. That's what I need. Oh no! Where is the right liquid? I'll try this one. Let's try another bottle. Oh no! A bike! Hooray, it worked! Oh no, it was meant for balloons! Uh-oh, it was also a spy liquid. So is the car ready? A couple more minutes. Okay. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. What's going on? Last chance.